The things that very specifically I noticed was the connected breathing piece really helped me to focus on some things that I'm thinking about, but it's the first time I've ever done that type of experience before, so it allowed me to not think, quite honestly, as much as I do. I'm a geophysicist. And the life's legacy piece I was able to incorporate. It was interesting for me to see how other people accepted that process and all the different learnings that they got from it. Having done that before, it was a second time through. Just like Albert's talked about people, some have come to Man Camp more than once. I think that's an important takeaway for me, is this is something that you could refresh and go back to do periodically.